Welcome to Tom's Refurb.
Brakes felt pretty good.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Morning.
We're going on an adventure.
That's right.
Stay tuned, see what happens. All right, we are at pit stop number 1. Got the truck and trailer hooked up. Why? Because hopefully we're going to go buy my wife a Mustang. She's been wanting a classic Mustang for a while. We've been searching for a while. Been hard to find exactly what I'm looking for. Yes, I know it's hers, but I got some stipulations of what I need out of it. So I needed a V8 and I needed a manual, and unfortunately those are hard to find for some reason. So found one. It's up in Maryland, so we're driving 4.5 hours. Left at 3 this morning, and it is currently 4:45. So we're gonna be there in a couple hours. Starting to rain on us. Hopefully that goes away, and hopefully I can make a deal with this guy. So once I get there, I'll show you the Mustang, see what we can do, and hopefully, fingers crossed, we get to bring this one home. Also, by the way, it's our anniversary. 12 years married yesterday. So this would be the coolest anniversary present for me to bring home for her. So hoping that works out in my favor. Awesome. See you guys.
Going to give him a ride?
Here we go.
Mustang?
Yes, sir. All right, let's see if we can make this happen. By the way, guys, I don't know if you noticed, this is Tom with Tom's Refurb.
Nice to meet you.
Been following him for a while, saw this Mustang posted, turned out to be his, and I had to jump on it. So we're gonna see if we can work something out and hopefully bring her home.
Yeah, that window is a kind of a pain in the ass. It's tight.
All right, we're in the Mustang going for a ride. Bye, Randy.
All 180 horsepower.
My Bronco's got less than that, so you know.
Yeah, I wasn't beating on it. I won't completely blow that radiator hose right now.
I mean, I've seen how you drive your car, so.
Yeah, you've seen the video of this, so you've already seen me drive the car.
You didn't do no massive burnout, so.
Yeah, I took this one pretty easy. It's like an antique. Don't want to smash it.
Brakes felt pretty good.
Yeah.
Brakes
work.
work.
Head off the windshield if you try. Yeah, it stops really good. It's basically a brand new car in my eyes.
Yeah. There's a little rub. That ain't.
Oh,
nothing.
you'll see it.
That ain't nothing.
They rub pretty damn good.
Do they?
Yeah, if I go more than like half throttle here, like, see, like if you goose it in, it's not terrible, but it will rub. It has a working speedometer and fuel gauge, and that's it.
Nice. No oil pressure gauge. It's got to have pressure. It sounds pretty good.
Yeah, it's never ticked or anything like that. I mean, you want to go further, or is that good? little bit. Yeah, I'll just drive it right up on your trailer for you.
That's where it's gonna go, I hope.
I'll be cameraman. I've hijacked the video. Welcome to Tom's Refurb. Is it recording? Yes, it is. It's not that close. You got like a foot and a half. There you go. Whew. That's a good looking setup right there.
Old Ford towing an old Ford.
Really? That looks pretty cool.
All right.
Well, what did I do? What do you think, Randy?
It's pretty cool. Got a lot of work to do.
I got a lot of work to do, but the bones are the bones.
The bones are there.
The bones are the bones.
The interior's nice.
Interior is very nice. Doesn't need a dash. Doesn't need a steering wheel. It's a manual. I love the seat colors. Throw some carpet in there and the inside's basically done. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Well, it was working good.
Well. Uh-oh. We'll be right back. All right, we got the door closed. So clearly needs some help here. But I think all of them kind of need some help here after 60 years on the road. 302, not a 289. That's really cool. And the frame and stuff's not all that rusted out, so running, driving, 302 manual, she's coming home. Well, we're about halfway home. We had to stop at the old Chick-fil-A, get some lunch. Truck's doing great, towing awesome, and she's still following me home. So as long as this keeps happening, keeps following me all the way home, we're gonna be great. Crazy, there's a freaking Mustang behind my truck. Never would I have thought, but hey, here we are. Anyways, we'll check in when we get home. Thanks, guys. I mean, dang, that looks good. There's a special place in my heart for old Fords. Well, all good things must come to an end. Got me. All right, guys, we're home, and we successfully bought Tom's Refurb's Mustang. Yay! Oh man, I'm excited, and the wife is on her way home. She's gonna get to see it for the first time, but I'll go ahead and give you guys a walkover of it. So here we are. Got the skinny wheels up front, torque thrusts, nice big fat ones in the rear. Obviously, they rub, but hey, that's part of the rat rod, right? Got some rust, got some patina, got a patina sticker from Tom's Refurb, but it is cool. Pretty stoked on this. Got the 302 3-speed transmission. Go ahead and take a look at that. And I will check the VIN to verify, but I believe this is a factory 302 car based off of the decal. That looks pretty original. And it's a runner and it's a driver. I mean, it'll go. Tom says he's been driving it daily for a while now, and I drove it around. It rides great. The inside is pretty dang clean. I mean, these seats are great. Nothing wrong with that. Obviously, the carpet could use some repair, but is what it is on that. Dash is good. Gauges work except for the two small ones. So we got fuel gauge, alternator gauge, and speedo. Fan works, wipers work, shift's good. Headliner's not terrible at all. Sags a little bit here, but I think we can fix that pretty easily. And I love the color of the inside. I'm going to leave the inside pretty much alone. Outside is going to be the way it is for a while. I'm not confident in my metal fab skills, my body work skills yet. I'm going to practice a little bit on the Bronco before I tackle the Mustang. But we'll get it running better, a little more horsepower, better brakes, exhaust, make it a little louder, stuff like that. Speaking of, you probably want to hear it. So let's get that set up and you can hear it. What you got, babe?
My new car.
What do you think?
I like it.
Do you?
Uh-huh.
All right. You don't seem excited.
I am excited. What do you think?
I'm in love with it. It's an absolute turd, but I love it.
Fits right in.
It fits right in with the Bronco. Yep. Mm-hmm.
I like it.
Do you? You haven't even seen it yet.
I know you got caught by the police,
What? Who told you?
Gabby. And I saw this before on the video
On what video?
of your phone.
On Tom's Refurb?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
I like it. It's pretty.
Want to go for a ride?
Yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, we'll
I
have
want
to.
to go for a ride in it. Let's go.
Let's go. Happy anniversary, babe.
And happy anniversary, Daddy.
Thank you, baby. All right, we're gonna go for a drive. All right, so neutral, reverse is up. Up is reverse. The brakes, they work great, but you have to slam them because no hydro boost or no air boost. First is straight down. Better sit your butt
Sit down.
ready to put all your weight into the brakes.
I cannot drive
I
this.
think the shift linkage needs to be tightened up a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit wiggly.
You know how to do all this?
Nope.
Danny says, go faster.
No, Jenny said, Dada. Jenny said, Dada.
So sounds great, starts right up, literally runs awesome. So that's a huge plus for me. I don't have to drop thousands of dollars to getting this thing running right. Got some fun plans for this, obviously, and I will document it all on Jesse Does It as usual. So stay tuned for all that. As always, I'm Jesse with Jesse Does It. Till the next adventure or project. Here we go. Bye, guys.